Hi, I'm Kathy.
And I'm Annie. And we take freeze-dried to fresh.
Today we're making a cream of mushroom soup. 2 ingredients, well, basically 2 ingredients.
Well, it's actually
Water is an ingredient.
4 ingredients.
Yeah, and it's really easy, so we'll show you how we do it.
So we use our Béchamel sauce, and this is a creamy sauce that has some cheese in it, which is super nice. We're only gonna make a 1 serve today, and then we'll talk about the mushrooms. The mushrooms are great too, and we're gonna be adding those after, right?
Does that have cheese in it?
Yeah.
It does already?
Béchamel, yeah.
I never thought it did.
Okay, let's look.
Because honestly,
Let's
just
make
until
sure.
you said that, I'm like, because I thought they were like gluten-free and,
Cream,
Oh, no,
whey,
not gluten-free.
non-fat dairy, milk.
yep, no cheese. Milk solids.
Milk.
But you can
But
add
see,
cheese to make it cheesy.
It's cheesy. I really like the cheesy smell. Let me think there's cheese.
I know that I don't want people thinking, oh, there's cheese and there's not.
Okay, there's not. There's milk. No cheese. There's milk.
But you can add cheese.
Okay.
Okay, let's get going.
And let's just do a.
I don't want to rush you.
You're not. I'm taking my time. All right, let's get it.
We're just doing it. I will have the hard job of
Okay, good.
pouring.
All right. So let's do a little bit more. Make it quite nice and creamy.
Soup-like.
Soup-like. A little bit more.
Okay, boss.
And you don't have to. Yes, I am the boss.
I'm gonna add a little chef's choice to that because this is like good on everything.
It is.
Are we
Okay.
ready for the mushrooms? We should probably add extra water because we're adding mushrooms.
Absolutely.
And we're adding the mushrooms dry. So we're doing that. Well, you have a story.
Okay, I do have a story. Generally what I do is I actually take the mushrooms and I brown them a little bit more on the stove with butter.
Because they're not brown. Sorry, keep going.
But today, this is Kathy's method. We're gonna do it super easy because she wants to use 1 pot. That's
Yes,
it.
I
So,
like
and-
less dishes, less work.
absolutely,
I'm
that's
just
great.
gonna crush that.
You can put as much mushrooms as you'd like.
What I like doing as well is I take it and I'll powder it in my blender to get more mushroom flavor into the soup, if
Okay.
you want.
I've got a little bit here.
Okay,
Just,
we'll add that.
just like you just said.
That was actually the bottom of the can bits, which is perfect
And we
for this.
save those or use those. Those are great. Okay,
Well, this is like so yummy and it
can we
smells
put
good.
more
More
water? Yeah. And really, I mean, you can come home from work and you're super tired, but you feel like mushroom soup. Well, that's how easy it is. It's great.
That looks good to me.
All right. Actually,
I will hold.
okay.
So good. And we'll crouton it up.
All right. So if you haven't subscribed already to our channel, please do and hit the notification bell, and then you'll know when we're posting a new video.
Give us an idea of what you put on your mushroom soup. I like croutons, she likes cheese. What do you like? And remember to give us a thumbs up.
Exactly. And remember, you can do this too.